everyone, today I will introduce our Servo hydraulic universal testing machine. This unit adopts the class 0.5 scope sensor, which greatly improves the testing accuracy. The integrated design of the cylinder base greatly improves the rigidity of the equipment base. The fully plated, high-rigid columns effectively ensure the strength and the brightness. Our stainless steel hand control box is more durable, which can control the cylinder up and down and also the gels clamp and loops. Our software supports many different languages and is available with many international standards such as ASTM and ISO. Our hydraulic tensile grips is available in many different sizes for both round and flat samples such as steel bar, steel plate, and steel thread. For the bending test, we provide fully customization support on the spin range and also the press head dies. And our hydraulic power system comes with the emergency stop button and also the power switch, oil switch, and cylinder up and down control panel. Now please have our engineer to show you how to operate our hydraulic universal testing machine.
Install the sample onto upper fixture. Adjust the crosshead to proper position and clamp the bottom fixture. Set up the sample parameters in the software. Choose the displacement control method. Clear Zorro and start the test. Test stops automatically once sample breaks. Generate and print out FIAN testing report. Remove broken sample from fixtures. Adjust the testing span of bending fixtures based on sample sizes. Install the upper press head. Put the sample onto the bending fixture seat. Choose corresponding bending test in the system. Set up the sample parameters in the software. Set up the testing procedure. Start the test. After bending to the required angle, examine the condition of the specimen.